Today I want to talk to you about weight, overweight. So there's three things that are not good for having an overweight four-wheel drive. One, poor fuel consumption. Two, you might get a ticket. In some Australian states they do that. And three, in the event, let's hope this doesn't happen, in the event of a car accident, the insurance company may say, we're not going to allow the claim because it happened because your four-wheel drive's overweight. So how do we resolve all these things? It's pretty easy. Let's go and have a look. Back home now, it's easier to explain this whole principle using a nice solid surface. So, climb on board the scales. Great, seems to change every time. This time it says 80.9. Woohoo! Pick up the heavy unit, climb back on. Now it says 88.9. Therefore 8 kilos. And we'll go through this on the whole principle with all of the other things. So what are all the other things? Chainsaw, recovery gear, solar panel, and that's just to name a few. There's other ones running through an extra wheel if you've got it for your spare, up on the roof rack, roof tent, roof cage, on the front, bull bar, driving lights, winch. Where do you stop? So, wrapping up, how can you actually keep the weight down on your vehicle if you're going out in the middle of the bush? The best way to look at all of this is if you have a bare knuckle car and you're about to start adding things, think about the things that you want to add onto it. Or if you're going out for short to medium trips, you probably won't need half of these things on with you. Or if you're going out in a group, again, there's some things you won't need. No point you taking a recovery kit, 3 other vehicles all taking recovery kit if you're only going on a 3 or 4 day trip. If you've got a bare knuckles straight off the showroom, think long and hard about all the things you want to put on it. Does it need a roof rack? Does it need a tent? Does it need a winch? Does it need all those other bits and bobs? And they will add up. If you're careful, if you make use of this spreadsheet, which I'm more than happy to give to you, then I think you can have a really safe and productive trip. While I think of it, send me a message in the comments and I'll send you a spreadsheet. I've made up a spreadsheet to design to take the weight of your car, all of the bits and bobs that go on the top and on the side, on the inside, and then you can put all those through into the spreadsheet and see what the tear weight is and the gross weight of your vehicle is before you head out in the bush. That might help a real lot. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was of some use to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And until then, I will see you on a 4x4 track somewhere out in Australia. And until then, this is Four Wheel Drive, signing off.